Hello everyone, my name is Louis Pelathy. I'm the founder of Gamma Capture, GammaCapture.com, and I'm going to show you how to use my indicators in TradingView. So this is the SPY ETF, the SPY 1 minute bars in TradingView. I've got a few different indicators here. I've got 3 different indicators. The first indicator is the opening range high and low. The high is the green bar and the low is the purple. So I just take a opening range and map a high low, so I have some sort of guidelines to go off during the day. The next indicator that I have here is RSI, so I have a custom RSI, and when things start to get bid up, for example, the little green X's will be buying strength and the red X will be sell-off. So that's my indicators for RSI. And then finally, Gamma Capture Bands. Gamma Capture is a intraday volatility, and using that volatility, it's a brand new volatility calculation. You can use it as similar to Bollinger Bands. So a 2 deviation band, well, I have it set to 2.75 deviation up and down from a moving average of 5 periods. I'm looking at a 1 minute bar, so that's 5 minutes. So the orange is a 5 minute moving average, and then these bands that you can see around the moving average is my Gamma Capture band. So when a price falls outside that 2.75 band, arrow will pop up, whether it's outside on the upside a green arrow or on the downside a red arrow. So for today, I watched the price movement and I saw it moving towards the upper part of the opening range. A few of the bullish signals tripped off, so I got in here, and you can see, sure enough, there was a nice little rally, and I got out around here at around 10:15, and it kept bouncing around. We kept pushing higher. I didn't trade anything this afternoon because of obviously the news stories. I didn't want something to happen news-wise and I get caught on being long when there's some bearish news. But the market rode up all the way back to 687, and then you started seeing this sell-off. I saw a quick sell-off here, but I wouldn't touch anything on the downside until it crossed back over the opening high. So I don't usually pay much attention to these signals when, for example, a bearish signal. I don't really pay attention to it until it starts moving past the opening high. And similarly, if we were on the lows, I wouldn't pay attention to a bullish signal until it crossed above the opening low of the day. So that's how I use these signals to get in and out of profitable trades. I'm just looking for high probability setups, high probability trades. I'm mostly doing options as my way of expressing my market view. And it really is a helpful tool. So check it out, GammaCapture.com. Thank you very much.